Hello and welcome to my channel, and today I will be showing you how I got this Addams family Morticia. This is the mother of the family. So this is my Halloween makeup for Morticia from the Addams family, and I know that she has straight black hair, but I actually just did this wig install and I wasn't ready to take it out, so that's why I decided to go with the wavy hair. But this is the makeup look that I'm going to be showing you guys how I created today in this video. Again, this is inspired by the Addams family. It's supposed to be dark and gloomy, but I just wanted to give a little twist and just put a little glam to it, but still keep that darkness and black to this look as well. So as always, if you want to see how I got this makeup look, make sure you stay tuned, and also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell notification while you're at it so you are notified when I upload my new videos here on my channel. I'm starting off with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is in the color shade 360, so I'm just applying that all over my face with my Real Techniques beauty blender, and I'm just blending that all over my face for this makeup look. This look, I know Morticia is really on the lighter side as far as her makeup, and you know, she mimics like a dead person as far as just the light white makeup that she wears, so I didn't want to do that, so I just went in with my regular color foundation. And now I'm taking my LA Girl Pro concealer and I'm just applying this on top of my eyebrows because I want to conceal my brows. I want to hide my brows because I'm going to be drawing brows that are a lot thinner than my brows. So I'm just taking my LA Girl Pro concealer and just applying it all over my eyebrows to hide them. So now I'm taking my Airspun setting powder in translucent, and I'm going to be setting my face with a powder puff. So I'm just setting my under eyes with this setting powder because, again, Morticia is you know, I wanted this makeup look to have like a white cast to it, so that's what I was trying to achieve. So I'm going to take that same powder puff and dip it right into my Real Techniques, and I'm going to be setting those brows because before I put the LA Girl Pro concealer on top in the shade Chestnut. And now I'm just going in with my Black Radiance contour stick. I believe this is in the shade 8006. This is a contour stick, and I'm just using that to contour my cheeks and my nose. And I'm taking my Real Techniques contour brush and I'm just blending in my contour there on my cheeks. And I'm taking this smaller brush and I'm going to use that to contour my nose. I like to use a kind of pointed brush when I do the contour on my nose. I was trying to create a slimmer effect on the nose, so that's why I went in with that smaller brush. And now I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro concealer in the color beige, medium beige. I believe this is medium beige, and I'm just applying that because I'm just going to highlight with this color. So now I'm going in with my Athena face paint, and I'm just taking this thin eyeshadow brush and I'm just applying and I'm just drawing some thin eyebrows onto my face basically. So now I did start off with a different brush. This is a much smaller brush, and it is a square shaped brush. I'm not exactly sure what shape brush this is, but this is by Nika K, and I see K. I got this from my local beauty supply, and I'm just drawing a thin eyebrow because my eyebrows are thicker than this, so that's why I concealed my eyebrows, because I wanted to draw a thinner eyebrow. So I'm just going in with that Athena face paint and I'm just drawing my eyebrows in that black shade from the paint. And I did get this face paint from Amazon if anybody is interested in this face paint and where I did purchase it from. So now I'm going to be taking that same beauty blender that I applied my foundation with by Real Techniques, and I'm just going to be blending in my highlight. So being that I did use this to apply my foundation, so it is foundation, I did turn my beauty blender around to where there was no product on it, and I am using that part to blend in my highlight for this makeup look. As you can see, those parts where I put the highlight is really brightening up at this point because I'm blending it in, and that's the effect that I wanted to get and achieve for this video. So I'm going back in with my air spun translucent setting powder, and I'm just going to be setting my under eyes where I did my highlight. Everywhere I highlight, I'm going to be setting it with this translucent powder just to brighten up the face. And now I'm taking this concealer brush by, excuse me, I forgot where this brush is from, but I am going in with my medium beige concealer. And this concealer is from LA Girl Pro. I'm using the same concealer that I use to highlight my face to outline the top and bottom of my brows. And this concealer brush that I am using is by Wet n Wild. I'm sorry, I could not think of that name for anything, but the concealer brush that I'm using to outline my brows is a concealer brush, and it is from the brand Wet n Wild. Very affordable and very affordable and good quality brush that I have here for you know, a good cheap price, basically, if you want something to, you know, not too expensive but good quality. So I do feel like I could have made my eyebrows a little bit thinner. Even though they're a lot thinner than my eyebrows, I felt like I could have made it a lot thinner when I was drawing my shape. So I think that would be the only thing that I would do different if I was to do this makeup look over. So I'm just taking my time and I'm dragging that LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade medium beige, and I'm just outlining the top and bottom. And now I'm taking my eyeshadow brush and I'm just going to be blending in that underneath those brows, and I'm just blending in that medium beige concealer by LA Girl Pro with my eyeshadow brush. I'm blending it all, I'm blending it down, I'm blending it in, and I'm slightly blending it on top of my eyebrow, excuse me, on top of my lid as well. So now I'm going to go into the top of my brow, and I'm going to take that same eyeshadow brush and I'm going to be blending that out as well. And I'm just trying to make those eyebrows pop a lot. That's why I did go in with the lighter shade for the concealer on the top and bottom. And as you can see, I am bringing that product down onto my lid a little bit as I am blending. So I'm just blending up and blending out and just making sure those lines is really sharp and crisp for my eyebrows. I was just trying to perfect the shape here when I was going over, and I was going a lot closer to the brow to blend it in. So now I'm taking that same beauty blender from Real Techniques, and I am just blending in that the rest of that product and smoothing it out, that concealer, onto my face, just to blend it in with the foundation that I have already here on my face. I didn't want to blend it too much where it disappears, but I wanted to blend where it's a smooth and flawless transition from foundation to my concealer. So now I'm going in with my air spun translucent setting powder, and I am going to be setting my face, setting my eye area, and wherever I just did with my brows, because I did just apply the concealer. So I'm just setting that concealer so everything is set in place. And I did bring it down under my eyes a little bit, even though I didn't do that part already. I was just giving it just applying a thin layer. So I'm going back in with the brush that I did use to contour, because when I did highlight, it did take away from the contour, because I bring the contour, I bring the highlight too close to my nose. So it did make that color disappear a little bit. So I'm just bringing that color back into my face because it was very, very light, and I was trying to slim the nose. That's why I'm contouring my nose for this makeup look, because she does have a slim line nose. So I was trying to achieve that. Now I'm just taking some regular Scotch tape, and I'm just taking a piece and I'm just putting it at an angle at the side of my face, and this is going to help me when I am drawing my eyeshadow on my face, basically. So I'm going in with this gray, I'm going in with this black as well. So I'm starting off with this black shimmer eyeshadow. So it looks kind of black and it looks kind of gray at the same time. So I'm gonna say, yeah, I think this is kind of like gray. So I'm going in with this gray eyeshadow, and it does have light shimmers inside, and I'm just creating a half cut crease. And as you can see, I'm going on top of that tape because I want that tape to give me that shape when I do remove the tape. So now I'm going in with this black eyeshadow, and I'm going to be using this blending brush to apply the eyeshadow to my face. I'm just going into that crease, and on that line right on the side where that tape is, I'm going over that line as well, and I'm just trying to mesh and blend those two colors together, that gray shimmer eyeshadow and that black eyeshadow as well. So I'm going to take another piece of Scotch tape, but I'm going to put it on the opposite side of my face, the same thing I did with the other side, and this tape is going to give me that shape. I did want that shape to go up and I didn't want the concealer to go down too far, so that tape creates a barrier where I want my eyeshadow to stop. So I am starting off going this along the side of that along the side of that Scotch tape, going up towards the brow, and then I am bringing it over and across to my where the crease of my eye is, basically. So I'm just blending this gray shimmer eyeshadow in first, and I didn't want to bring it all the way over because Morticia does not have fully black smoky eyes. She does have, it looks like a gray to black tone eyeshadow on the ends, and then in the front it is like a lighter shimmer and maybe a white shade. So I'm going back in with that black eyeshadow, and I'm just going across that line where the tape is, and then bringing it across my eye crease halfway, and then blending that gray shade with the black that I am applying now to give that gray and black smoke effect. So now I'm taking this shimmer powder and I'm going to be going in with the lighter shade, and I'm going to be applying it with this eyeshadow brush, and just on top where I did not put any of that black eyeshadow, I'm going to go over with this, it's like a champagne bright white color. That's what it looks like to me. So I'm just taking that and I'm just putting that all over the lid where there is no black eyeshadow, just to fill in that area, because again, this is not a full black eyeshadow, a blacked out eyeshadow smoky eye. It is a half cut crease basically, and then I'm going to be going in and filling in the rest of that eyeshadow look with this white shimmer eyeshadow. So now I'm going to be taking the tape off, and I did blend it in with the beauty blender just to clean up those lines on the side. And I can see those lines on the side where I put my eyeshadow, it's really sharp. So now I'm going in with this red lipstick, liquid lipstick, and I'm just going to be applying it all over my face. I did want a really bright red lipstick shade because Morticia does have a really bright look on the Addams family, so I was trying to achieve that look as well. So that's why I went in with this red, because it's a really a dark cherry red, but it also has a nice gloss shine to it. So that's why I'm just filling in and my lips with this red shade. So how's everybody doing? I know Halloween is coming soon. We got a couple of days for Halloween, so I just wanted to get out a couple of more looks for Halloween. These are the long lashes that I'm going to be using today by Ardell, and these are I believe these are the wispy lashes, but I did stack my lashes, which means that I did put 2 pairs on top to give it that thick full cat eye effect. So yeah, like I was saying, Halloween is in a couple of days, so I wanted to get out a couple of more videos as far as for my Halloween series here on my channel. So stay tuned for some more Halloween looks here on my channel, and I do have some Halloween makeup looks already posted here. So when you finish here, go check out some of my other videos that I have here on my channel. And if you made it this far and you like what you see, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell notification so you're notified whenever I upload my new videos here on my channel. And now I am just putting on my lashes, and I did use the INV eyelash glue, so I'm going to be using that to apply my lashes. I did apply it to the lash first, and then I did apply it to my my lash line with the INV glue, and I did use the white one, which dries clear, and that's what I like to use when I'm applying my eyelashes. So I'm just trying to fix it, and this is the finished look. I did add the hand. This is a mannequin hand, just for that added effect for the Addams Family Morticia look. That's what I was trying to achieve with the hands on my head. So this is the finished product. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and if you want me to create any type of Halloween makeup or special effect makeup for Halloween, let me know down in the comment section down below. Finished product, finished look, let me know what you guys think. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something as well, and connect with me on my other social media platforms. Bye.